I am making a DIY drill press with my Dremel so that I can drill out my scroll saw projects. So let's get started. 3/8 inch dowel rod. It's about 7.5 inches long. And I cut 4 of those. The next thing I did, I had went and bought some springs. I may end up cutting these down a little bit. Not sure of the length that I need yet, but those are longer than what I need. And I wanted to make sure that the spring would go up over the dowel rods. So I sanded down the dowel rods to get what these are looking like now. That's one little part that I need for the project that I'm going to build. Okay, I have cut 2 blocks, 3/4 inch thick, 4 inches by 5 inches. 5 inches this way, 4 inches deep. I also cut a piece of 1/4 inch plywood, the one actually, but it's the same size, but it's 1/4 inch by 4 by 5. So the next thing I'm going to do, what I did next was I measured in a 1/2 inch from each way on each corner. So I have an X at a 1/2 inch in on each of these corners now. The next thing I did was cut this base out so that I can see my work below it and drill down through it with my Dremel. The other thing I did was I glued the pegs into place with the top aligning the pegs so that it's going to slide. Now my springs are too long right now. I will cut those down once I get the Dremel fitted in to its place, figure out how low the bit needs to be with the work, and then when I plunge, this will be my little plunge apparatus or jig for my Dremel to drill out my scroll saw projects. Okay, the next thing I did was I drilled a hole here and here, put this rod through. I have a slot here, and what that's going to do is tighten down around the Dremel. So this is going to be my Dremel's drill press for my jigsaw projects.